Hawaiian steel guitar. And don't forget the Railway Gang will be back next week for our 12th year anniversary.